Let's continue with our chapter number 3. A computer system consists of hardware, software, and humanware. Together, they all work in combination to make the computer system work. Now, we will read about hardwares. The parts of a computer that we can touch are called the computer hardware, like monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard, and printer. Next topic is softwares. Softwares are a set of programs that stay inside a computer which we cannot touch but we can see and use. There are differences between hardware and software. Hardwares we can touch but software we cannot touch. Hardwares we can see, software we can see and use. Here are some hardwares and softwares. Hardwares like CPU, monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, and softwares like MS Paint, Notepad, WordPad, MS PowerPoint, Windows, or Word and browsers. Our next topic is humanware. People like us who use computers are called humanware. A computer can work only with the instructions given by the humanware. Next topic is keyboard. Yes, keyboard. A keyboard is made up of several small buttons. These buttons are called keys. The keys on a keyboard are divided into the following main categories: alphabetical keys, special character keys, cursor control keys, numeric keys, combination keys, and function keys. The keys having letters from A to Z are called the alphabet keys. We use the alphabet keys to type letters, words, and sentences. Numeric keys. The keys having numbers from 0 to 9 are called the numeric keys. These keys are used for typing numbers. Now we will read about special keys. Special keys perform some very important functions on a computer. These mainly include the following keys. First is enter key. There are two enter keys on a keyboard, one on the extreme bottom right corner and the other near the arrow keys. This key is used to bring the cursor to the beginning of the next line. This key is also known as the return key. Next is caps lock key. This key is used to type capital letters only. To turn on the caps lock, press it once, and to turn it off, press it once again. Whenever caps lock key is on, then whatever you will type, it will be typed in capital letters. Next is delete key. Delete key is used to erase or delete characters typed on the right side of the cursor. Whenever we have done any mistake and we want to delete the word or the character, we can press the delete key. Same like a delete key, we have backspace key. This key is used to delete a character typed on the left side of the cursor. Same, whenever we've done any mistake, we can use the backspace key to correct it out. Shift key. This key is used in combination with the other keys. Whenever we press shift key with a letter, we can type the letter in capital without using caps lock key. Secondly, with this key, we can type symbols printed on the top of the number keys. Control, Alt and Delete key. Control, Alt, Delete is the combination of keys pressed at the same time to open Task Manager. This takes you to the menu where you will find several different options.